Hi, I'm Lillian Jungles, and today I'm going to be hosting a Rubik's Cube contest. Let's see who can solve it the fastest. I'm here with James, Audrey, Thomas, and Miss Reyes. Go. Oh! No! Winner, James Lee.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to WJCA. I'm Ramon.
And I'm Jimmy. Coming up first, we're debuting a new segment called Mary on the Move.
All right, let's go. Excuse me. What's your name?
Katie Salinger.
What's your occupation?
I'm a student.
What's 7 times 8?
56.
Great job. Excuse me. What's your name?
My name is Conrad Hoyt.
What's your occupation?
I'm a student here. I'm a freshman.
What is the 16th president of the U.S.?
Abraham Lincoln.
Good job. Are you smart?
Yeah, of course I'm smart.
What's your name?
Leo.
In Tom and Jerry, what is the name of the dog?
I don't know. The bulldog?
Yeah, the bulldog.
I have no clue.
You're telling me you've never seen Tom and Jerry?
I've seen it, but I don't know the dog's name.
All right. Excuse me. Are you smart?
No.
What is your name?
Colin Murphy.
Oh, okay. Who is a Disney princess that has a pet chameleon?
Rapunzel, right?
Hey, good job. Excuse me. Are you smart?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Heavenly.
How many people form a football team?
22.
That is wrong. Would you? Excuse me. What is your name?
Thomas Jones.
What's that?
Thomas Jones.
Oh, what's your occupation?
Student.
What is 11 times 11?
144. No, 121.
That is wrong. All right, questions are gonna get a little harder now. Excuse me. What's your name?
Jake Hamity.
Occupation?
Student athlete.
What is the name of the Ninja Turtle that wears the blue?
Leonardo.
That's great. Good job. What is your name?
Ellie Westenfeld.
What is your occupation? Do you know what an occupation is?
Yes.
What do you do for a living?
Play volleyball.
All right. What is the second president of the U.S.?
Adams.
Good job. Excuse me. Excuse me.
What's your question?
Excuse me. What's your name?
My name is Aldo.
What's your occupation?
My occupation is I play soccer for a living.
Okay. How many teeth does a human body have?
Teeth? 36.
What's your name?
TJ Schlageter.
Occupation?
Professional TikToker.
Do you even have TikTok?
No, I don't.
What month has 28 days?
February.
What month has 28 days?
November. February.
Is that your final answer?
What?
Every month has 28 days.
Wow. Wow, those were some pretty cool responses.
Next up, we have an interview with Mr. Akel to find out what grinds his gears.
Hi JCA, this is Mr. Akel back with season 2 of What Grinds My Gears. I've been gone for a little while, so I've been thinking about a lot of things that make me mad. And the first one I have is pretty topical today. It's the World Cup, and almost soccer in general, really. World Cup, 0-0 ties, really? We can have 90 plus minutes of action, and no one wins, no one scores, and you're just gonna go home and everyone gets a little trophy. Someone's gotta win, someone's gotta score. You can't have 0-0 ties, are you serious? Also, I was watching a game over the weekend, well, it was on, I should say. I wasn't watching it, it was on in the background. And someone scored a goal. It was 1-0, very exciting game. Someone scored a goal, and it took them like 5 minutes to show the replay. Are you serious? Like, it's the one thing that's happened. It's been an hour and a half, one thing has happened, and you don't show the replay? He scores the goal, he's running around, all the fans are cheering, showing all the people there. Then they didn't even show me what happened for a long time. In the NFL, you get replays every play. Basketball, they show you replays. How do you not show the replay? It's the only thing that happened in the whole game. Last point about the World Cup. Has anyone ever seen the time on the World Cup? It counts up. I don't want to do math homework. I don't want to do the math homework because I don't know how much time left in the game. Just count down. Every other sport in the world counts down from 15 minutes to 0, or 12 minutes to 0, or 20 minutes to 0. The World Cup counts up to 45 and up to 90. So you have to do subtraction to figure out how much time is left. Are you serious? And how much time is left? I don't know, because no one knows, because the refs make it up. They put plus 6 minutes, and it goes to 6.5 minutes, or maybe 5.5 minutes. We don't know. We'll figure it out. World Cup's got a lot of things to figure out. And that, JCA, is what grinds my gears.
Jim,
What?
you fell asleep.
What?
My gosh, that tennis match is boring. I'm sorry. Sorry, guys. Well, that's all we have for you guys. And make sure to tune in to WJCA next week.
For more information, please visit our website.